Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Amplitude with Attitude by Vandana. Hope all of you might be good, doing well. So, we are going to start today our discussion. Today I am going to tell you about triangles. So, kids, you have been promoted to class 6 or 7, then pay special attention because your topic is going to be covered today. Triangles, yes, triangles. What is a triangle? Basically, triangle is a closed figure. It's a closed figure like this. I have made something for you. This is a closed figure. It's not an open figure. It is closed. It is a closed figure. It is a polygon. Polygon means more than two sides, which is then only we can close it. So that's why it's a polygon closed figure having three sides. So basically, a triangle has three sides. Then only it will be called triangle. The property of triangle is that it has three sides, it has three vertex. Vertex is the meeting point of two sides. For example, first vertex is this, second vertex is this, third vertex is this. So triangle has three sides, three vertex, and plural of vertex is vertices. We can say it has three vertices, right? And three angles also, first angle, second angle, third angle. So how we can define triangle? A polygon which has three sides, three vertex and three angles is a triangle. Now, types of triangle. Triangle are of three types on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. First, we will cover the sides portion. So, triangle on the basis of sides. Triangle are of three types on the basis of sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. We will start our discussion with equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is an equilateral triangle. See what I have for you. See the triangle. All the three sides are of equal length. This, this and this. Then it is an equilateral triangle. For example, if it is 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. This will also be 5 centimeter. Means all three sides are of 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter or 7 centimeter or any length. But all the lengths are equal. Then it is an equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are of same length, right? Same length. And the third side is not of that length. For example, this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 7 centimeter, and this one is 10 centimeter. Means two sides are equal and the third side is not of that length. Means it is an isosceles triangle. The third type of triangle is a scalene triangle. In this, all the three sides are not of same length. All are different. Three friends, three different characters. See, this one is of another length, this one is of another length, this one is of another length. Then it is a scalene triangle. So, three types of triangle on the basis of sides are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. I have told you about equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. Now, on the basis of angles. On the basis of angles also, triangle are of three types. First one is acute angle triangle, then right angle triangle, and then obtuse angled triangle. If you are a bit confused or want to know more about the angles, you can see my video on angles. I will share the link on the description box and you can see it. Okay? It will be there in the description box. Now back to our topic. First type of triangle on the basis of angles is acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all the angles are acute angled is an acute angle triangle. See, I have this for you. Acute angle triangle means this one is also acute, this one is also acute, this one is also acute. Means three angles and all are acute angle. Then this triangle will be called as acute angle triangle. Second one is right angled triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is right angle, that is 90 degree, and rest two are acute angles. Okay, all the three angles can't be 90 degree. Remember this. There is one property of triangle. According to that, sum of all the angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. So only one angle can be 90 degree. Our third triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle. In this, one angle is obtuse, and rest two angles will be acute. So the triangles on the basis of angles. First one is acute angle, second one is right angle, third one is obtuse angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the angles are acute angles or lesser than 90 degree. In right angle triangles, one angle is 90 degree and rest two angles are acute angles. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse angle, rest two angles are acute angles. Okay, this is for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and have understood the things in a better way, in the best way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video to all your friends. Bye bye. Take care.